Welcome students. Once again, we are meeting online because of Omicron. Okay, so offline class, if I started to teach in mathematics, you start to sleep. But in online, I know you all are happy in home. So today we will start new lesson, menstruation, the 10th chapter. It is a second term syllabus. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss the two important titles, perimeter and area. Okay, what is perimeter, what is area? First you have to understand the difference between the two length. Okay, so first of all, what is the perimeter? We discuss. Peri means it's a around. Okay, peri means around. Then metron means it's a measure. Measure, it means metron means measure. So you have to copy this. It's a second term syllabus. So when I teach video, what I write on board, you have to copy into your mathematics notebook every day. Okay. So I will not say copy this. So you have to copy regularly. Which I posted, which I teach on video. You have to copy all these definitions, diagrams, formulas, everything. Okay. So peri means around. It's very important for your understanding what is area, what is perimeter. Once you understand that, we can calculate perimeter of the area, perimeter of the room, perimeter of the wall, perimeter of the any length. Okay. So what is the perimeter? So the perimeter measurement around the outside of shape. The definition of perimeter is the measurement around the outside of a shape, any shape, maybe rectangle, square, whatever. We have to find out the around. Okay. So for your understanding purpose, the diagram here I have drawn means how to find out the perimeter of the given diagram. So you have to start from here, only outside. So you have to calculate the length of the given diagram and you can calculate the perimeter of the given diagram. But area only inside the surface. Okay, how much space surface of the figure is called the area. So this is an important diagram for understanding purpose. Perimeter, what is perimeter? What is area? Perimeter means only outside. Example, compound wall. Suppose if you are building a new house, in front of your house you have to build a wall, compound wall. So how compound wall look like this? No? Means you have to outside only. It's a compound wall. But area means that is a amount of surface, that is different. Area, perimeter. Okay, we will discuss about perimeter. Then perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square. Okay, perimeter of triangle. We will find the area, find the perimeter of the given figure. Then after we will discuss area. Okay. Okay. Let me find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. Here I am taking example diagram for it's a rectangle. I given each side name. Side A, B 15 centimeter, BC 9 centimeter, then CD 15 centimeter, then DA 9 centimeter. So it's a rectangle. They have a definition of rectangle. What is the definition of rectangle? The opposite sides are equal are called rectangle. Okay, again I will repeat you what is the definition of rectangle. The opposite sides are equal are called rectangle. Opposite side means the side AB is opposite side DC. So the side AB is equal to side DC. Okay, then side BC is equal to the side AD or DA. So that's why it's a rectangle. Rectangle, it means the opposite sides are equal. It's called Then what is the definition of square? Four sides are equal, means all sides are same same sides called square. Means what's the definition of square? All sides are same is called, all sides are same is called square. Means each side are same sides, it's called square. So we know the rectangle definition, we know the square definition. Opposite sides are equal are called rectangle, all sides are equal are called square. So opposite side means here we want two measurement. So suppose if you want to find out the perimeter of rectangle, so they will give two measurement. One is length and one is breadth. Length plus breadth. Okay. Suppose if they want to find out the perimeter of the square, they will give only one measurement. Means four sides are equal, so only one measurement. So you have to keep in mind. Suppose if they ask question, if they will give two measurement. Example, the measurement is 15 centimeter length, 9 centimeter breadth. If they give like this, you have to identify the question. The question they are asking. Find their perimeter of rectangle, because they are giving two measurement. One is length and one is breadth. Suppose if they give only one measurement, suppose 14 centimeter. If they give only one measurement, they will ask find their perimeter of the given figure. Means only one measurement. You have to remember it's a square. Okay. So rectangle means two measurement. Square means only one measurement. So here there is a formula. Write this formula and give border. Means box like this. U box in your notebook. Okay. So formula, perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. 2 into length plus breadth. Means we can write chart form L plus B. L for length, B for breadth. Okay. So use this formula. Now we have to find out the perimeter of the given rectangle. Okay. So perimeter is not this. Okay. Perimeter is what I told you, around. Means this around area, outside of the area. Around. How much length is there? So how to find out this area? Because the given measurement. So 15 centimeter for length, 9 centimeter for breadth. So just we simply substitute the formula. The formula 2. These two, I am not giving my own 2. It's a formula 2. You have to write 2. 2 into, what is the formula for length? Length means this is the length. Okay. This is for L. Then this is for breadth. Okay. You have to identify which is length, which is breadth. This is length, this is breadth. So, as the given measurement, you have to substitute their exact place. Means here length L. So 15 centimeter plus, as per the formula, breadth. So breadth is 9 centimeter. Now we want to find out the total perimeter of the given figure. So the total perimeter is 2 into, first we have to add the values, length plus breadth. 15 plus 9, 15 plus 9, 24 centimeter. Okay. 24 centimeter. I don't need to write. Finally we can write 24. 15 plus 9, 24. Okay. Now we have to do multiplication. Plus 2 into 24, 2 into 24, 48. 2 into 24, 48. 48 centimeter. So the perimeter. The perimeter is 48 centimeter. The perimeter of the given rectangle only around means outside length. Okay, outside length, only outside length of the given rectangle length is 48 centimeter. So first we have to substitute the value. Here length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 9 centimeter. First we have to add 15 plus 9, 24. Okay. Then after we have to multiply. So 2 into 24, 48 centimeter.